Day. I'm gonna take you out to the beach. It's all windy. It's not too bad of a day today. It's in the low 60s. So we're gonna get it in here. Show you a little. We're in Florida, and we're going to, what's the name of this one?
Rattlesnake Beach.
Rattlesnake Beach. Tim likes this one. There's so many of them. Like I said, with COVID, we haven't gotten out and about like we should have the last year. But anyway, we out today, y'all.
Thanks. Showing you the rattlesnake. Walking down the walkway. It's a nice walkway. See, long walkway. And then we're gonna come out, and you're gonna see the ocean.
Atlantic.
Ocean, that is. Windy out, but
Yes,
it feels good.
windy.
Sun is out at least. It's warm.
A little kind of warm. You can see we got sweatshirts on. Well, I got a sweatshirt on.
I got one on too. There go turtle right there. See y'all?
Oh.
Look, your turtle right there. See if I can zoom in on him. Your little turtle right there. Wildlife.
Oh, yeah. Got it? To do something.
Okay, wrong.
Don't matter. They know. I'm gonna tell it. He don't be practicing with the camera, y'all. Then I get on him and he don't want me to let y'all know.
Look at that big old spider walking.
Where?
He gone now underneath
Oh.
the porch.
Shoot.
There go another big turtle right there.
Well, can you get him? I don't know.
Look at him.
Maybe it's, oh, this is that time of year, Tim.
Look at him. He's a big one too.
That's a tortoise. There's a difference between a
That's his
turtle
home
and a
down
tortoise.
there.
Them big ones are called tortoises. I don't know all the details. Remember Michelle had
Yeah. Michelle had the tortoises.
them? Yeah.
They look right there. The
But
tortoises.
Yeah. That, yeah.
Yeah, they're tortoises. I read it.
Okay.
Okay, y'all.
Okay. Good.
Here y'all go. Atlantic Ocean coming up on you. Ooh, I don't know if we can go down.
Time's way in. That's why I said, yeah, when you ask where to go. It's fine because we can stand up here. See oh, some people down there.
Yeah, so there's a little bit of walkway, but not much. But Atlantic Ocean, y'all. Little rocking room. Atlantic Ocean, y'all. Here y'all go. Atlantic Ocean.
What up, y'all? Get the water in the back. Drip.
I had it in my pocket, y'all. Got some more like snow.
Shut up, Tim. Shut up, Tim. Looking like Scooby-Doo. Scruff, scruff.
Rough.
What's up, y'all?
There you go, y'all. Doing it for y'all this time. Good thing. There she is right there, Yaya. With a champ.
Yeah. Down. Yeah, it is
See,
cold.
the water is up. We on the top here. You can see the water right there. It's coming in. Like this for you. Get it for you. walkways. Let you know, we on the go.
Trying to be anyway, y'all.
All right, y'all, we out.
We'll be back. Bye. And how do I play? Oh, it's recording. Hey, y'all, what's up? What's up? I'm trying to figure out what we're going to mukbang on today. I think we're going to stop by Taco Bell and redo the cantina, what was that, cheese melt tacos. They were good, but when we recorded last week, we forgot to turn the volume on, and I did that voiceover, and I did not like that. So not only did I like the tacos, I wanted to do it over so you guys could hear us talk and how good the tacos are. So that's where we're headed now. Taco Bell. We'll probably just do a car bomb. So we'll see you there. Deuces.